Today we are joined by a guest here at the Botanic Garden, and you might recognize her from a previous segment. This is Diane Blazek, who is also the Executive Director of All America Selections. While we've talked to her in that capacity, she wears a second hat, and that's being the Executive Director of the National Garden Bureau. Welcome, Diane. Appreciate you coming today.
Oh, thank you very much.
So, Diane, tell us a little bit about the National Garden Bureau and what their role is.
National Garden Bureau is now 101 years old, wow. So we are even older than All America Selections. But our purpose and our mission is really to encourage and inspire people to do more gardening, to plant more plants.
And that's something we all love, right?
Exactly, right. So we love working with public gardens, and we have a lot of different programs that do that. One that I think you're very interested in is new plants.
Absolutely.
So we do a whole program. So if you want to know what's new from the industry, you go to our website and you click on new plants, and you're going to find out about what new petunia there is and what new perennial there is and what the new pepper is. And
this isn't just classified information for television hosts, right? It's for the consumer to find this information.
Exactly, right. Yeah, because they can go to our website and find it, and then hopefully go to their favorite local garden retailer and find it there.
So who are your people that you work with to get this information?
Yeah, it's actually the seed breed, not just seed, it's all breeding companies. It's way more than just seed now.
Okay.
So if there is a flowering shrub breeder, if there is a vegetable breeder, if there's vegetatively propagated breeders that are working with whatever crops, those are all of our members, and they submit their new varieties to us, and we help market them.
Okay, and you also do horticulture related products too, is that correct?
Well, we also feature a lot of horticulture related products, yes, from our members, the same kind of thing, like hard goods, like what's the newest and greatest knife or hoe or pruners or anything like that.
It's all kind of related there.
Exactly. So. Yeah, you need it all in your garden.
And tell us, there's another little program that you guys do, not little program, it's a national program, but about the plant of the year. So this is something that you regularly do. Can you tell us a little bit about that?
We do, yes, and it's been growing like crazy, so it's really fun. It's called the Year of program, and what we do is we focus on a specific plant class, not a specific variety, because there are Year of programs out there, the specific varieties. So ours is, we have one annual, one perennial, one flowering shrub, one edible, and one bulb crop.
Okay.
So this year, the reason we're standing here is it's the year of the hardy hibiscus for our flowering shrub. And then our edible is the garden bean, which, I mean, there's so many different kinds of beans.
Right.
Our bulb crop is the hyacinth. I'm going to save the best for last, I think.
Okay.
Our perennial is the Monarda, and then our annual is the sunflower.
Yeah, we all love sunflowers.
Right.
And all of those do really well here in Oklahoma. So is that something that you look for when you're doing the plant of, is not Oklahoma, but just nationally, that they tend to do well across the country?
Yes, that is a criteria. And it doesn't always happen, but we try to. So like this year we may have a flowering shrub that does well just in a certain region. Well, next year then it will be one that's from all over. So, I mean, it is gardening. It is Mother Nature we're dealing with. So it's kind of hard to do one thing for everybody when we have so many different climates throughout North America.
Well, we do love our hardy hibiscus here in Oklahoma, as well as our sunflowers and other plants. So this is a great to know. So their website again is where you can find all of this information?
Absolutely. It's where you can go to be inspired. It's ngb.org.
Okay. Thank you so much, Diane.
Thank you.
We hope you enjoyed this video. It's part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on our OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.